Yeah, this is the hotel where I'm staying at. This is the boot that the girl stays in, because I think they charge you like about 10 Philippine pesos to use the beach. And it's some steep stairs. People always cook in here. We got some people cooking right there. And it's a pretty steep walk down to the beach. It's a pretty steep walk. Oh boy. That's one thing about here in the Philippines. You always see people outside enjoying their lives, man. People cooking up there. They rented another room up there. And you got families. You got families that come to the beach. No, today's what? Today's Thursday. Today's Thursday. Look at these people. Look at what they're doing. They got somebody picking up, I don't know if it's shellfish or what, right here. And then they got families out here having a good time. While you in America right now, working at 9 to 5, you on that that 9 to 5 grind. You wake up at 9, then wake up at 8, 7:30, you drink a cup of coffee, and then it's off to work. Get back home at 6, eat dinner, and the cycle begins again. That 9 to 5 grind. Look at what these people are doing. These people having a picnic. A picnic. Picnicking. These people are picnicking on Thursday morning. That's what we call life. You know what I mean? You're not living in a in a bubble. You know what I mean? It's just normal. Morning. Yeah, it's just like normal. Easy day, chill, relax, and enjoy just enjoy it. As I said in my earlier blog, some of us ain't gonna reach 60 years old. We planning it. We planning to reach 60. We planning to hit 62 to get that Social Security check, but it's not guaranteed. Somebody will die before they reach 60. We will get sick. You know what I mean? We don't own life. We don't own our lives. We don't know our destiny, but we gotta enjoy it. If you enjoy it, it's gonna run up on you, and by the time you hit retirement, you're gonna be in the morgue. You're gonna be sleeping in the morgue. You know what I mean? You're gonna be in a crematorium, waiting to be burnt. You know what I mean? Just waiting. Waiting to be burnt. Yeah, look at what these people doing though. Picnicking. Having fun. You don't have to have a 9 to 5 to have fun on the weekends. You know how to make $100,000 a year. These people are probably making, I don't know, 15 a year, 15,000 a year. But look how they're enjoying life. You know what I mean? They're enjoying life. white sand, you know, beautiful sand, crystal clear water. I wish if I was living here, man. I wish if I was living here. So wish. You got the guy right here. You got a little bar going on right there. In case you want your drinks to buy. And then we're gonna go on the, this is the beach. This is where the people live. You know what I mean? The beachfront. I showed you all it from the top in the last vlog. I went from the top. Now I'm going from below, from on the beach side. You got all the boats. That's how they make their living. That's the boats right here. They go out there, fish, and they sell the fish to the market. You know what I mean? They sell the fish to the market. Oh, this one here is a big boat. That's a big boy. The one with the top of them. It's big. Hey, and these dogs scare me, man. See? They want to bite me. What did I do you? Why you want to bite me? Oh, there's my two defenders right here. They ain't gonna let that happen. Yep. He's running to the fray too. Yeah, so that's life, man. Life is not living in that $500,000. Hey. Yep. Life is not living in that $500,000 house or $800,000 house or what, because at the end of the day, that house is not yours. It's not yours until 25-30 years later. You know what I mean? You gotta grind for it. Yeah, you could boast. Yeah. Oh, my house is $800,000. My house is $1 million. No. It's not your house until you pay that last month of mortgage. And by the time, a lot of people don't realize that. By the time you finish pay that last month of mortgage, something's wrong with you. You ain't gonna be that same person who started off paying that mortgage. You know what I mean? Because within that 30 years or 25, 20 years, you know, it's stress. You know what I mean? You got bills. You got this bill to pay. You got that bill to pay. You got kids to send to school. You got kids to send to college. For me, if I got kids, they go to college for free. So that's one thing I ain't got to worry about. I live in California. You know, veterans kids go to school for free. Well, minus you got to pay the fees and stuff. But yeah, that's one headache. That's one headache off of my mind if I got kids. Some people, they got 3, 4 kids, 2, 3 kids, 4, 5 kids, and they want them to go to college. So that's their headache. You know what I mean? That's what I'm saying. The person that started off paying that 25, 30-year mortgage, by the time you finish paying that mortgage, you ain't the same person. You're not. Morning.
Good morning.
Yep, you're not the same person. You're damaged. You're damaged. You're stressed. All that stress for 30 years, yeah, it's gonna tell on you. Oh, this here looks like a little river that comes from the hills. Morning. The river that comes from the hills, but these dogs want me. These dogs want me. They want some of that fresh Caribbean meat. They could smell it. Yeah, but yeah, this is prime beachfront. Wish if I could be living like this. Again, we filming from Leyte, Philippines, being the province. All right, how you doing? Look at this man right here. He's buried under the sun. Under the sand, I should say. Thursday morning at 9 o'clock. How much of y'all could do that? Y'all can't do that. You know what I mean? No matter what size house you live in or what, you can't do that. Thursday morning, buried underneath the sand. That's good living, bro. That's great living. Morning. That's great living, and I love it. Look at this right here. I could come right here, sit down and relax. You know what? I'm gonna sit down and relax. Can I sit here? All right. I asked first. So I'm gonna sit down and relax and enjoy. What's this? This look like coral. This look like coral that got washed up from a storm, because I don't find coral so close to the you know, on shore. Yeah, so let me sit down. Let me sit down like the average Filipino who lives in Leyte and enjoy this view. Look at it. Wow, look at that. On Thursday morning.